Guys, thank you so much for stopping by the channel. So this is my hair right now. I braided it a week ago and there's some improvements. I'm going to walk you through the secret. That's my hair growth oil, how I do my hair growth oil. So yeah, let's just get into the video. I'm going to use cloves and rosemary. I'll walk you through the benefits of each of them for your hair in the course of the video, so make sure you stick and stay. And so I'm going to measure 1.5 spoon, normal tablespoon. Is it tablespoon or no? Yeah, tablespoon. And 1.5 spoon into a blender. The smaller one you can use to blend spices. So 1.5 of the cloves and then 1.5 of the rosemary. Then I'm just going to blend it together. So after blending, this is what we have. I didn't get it really smooth, but then it's okay. It has broken it down into smaller pieces, so it can really dissolve into the oil well. So yeah, this is what we have. A little powdery, but then you see it's a bit rough, but it's better than it being in its whole system, right? So this is the oil I'm going to use. I needed an olive oil, but this is the one I got Borges olive oil. It's okay, you can use coconut oil or olive oil. If you can get virgin olive oil, that's also okay. So yeah, I'm just pouring my olive oil. This is about 125 ml. It's not that much, but it's okay for me. So I poured it into a bowl, and I'm going to pour my blended cloves and rosemary into the oil. Then just stir. So there are two ways you can do this. You can either stir it for about 15 to 20 minutes and leave it to sit on the counter for like a week, so the goodies in the blended things will dissolve into the oil, so you can get the benefits when you apply it in your hair. Or you can do the double boiling method, but in this case I do all the two. So I do the double boiling method, and then after that I do the leaving it on the counter. Now let me walk you through some benefits of cloves. Okay, so the first one is it strengthens your hair. Second, it prevents dandruff. It controls hair loss. It prevents premature graying of your hair, and it also improves blood circulation, and then it darkens your hair naturally, especially those who have dark hair and then your hair is looking some way. It makes your hair very dark for you. So yeah, this is the double boiling method. If you don't have this, it's okay. Just get water into a pan, and then I'm going to put the mixture on it. Make sure water doesn't enter, and then you leave it to boil. We are doing that so we don't lose much of the potency of the ingredients we are using. Okay, so you can see the water is boiling here, and then when it boils, you see the rosemary at the top converging at the center. Yeah, this shows you that it's really working. So yeah, you leave it to boil, and then I left it on the counter for 7 days before sieving it. Now let's go to the properties or the benefits of rosemary for your hair. So rosemary contains antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that tends to stimulate hair growth and reduce hair fall. It also helps to reduce scalp inflammation, and moreover it even helps to stimulate blood supply to the hair follicles and strengthen your hair in general. So yeah, this is what you've been sitting on. When you go to any spice store, you get rosemary and you get cloves. You can get the powdered one or the raw one and you come and blend it yourself. It was difficult getting the powdered one. So after leaving my mixture to sit for about a week, yeah, I had the time, so I left it to sit about a week, and then I'm going to sieve it because you don't want all that rosemary and clove stain in your hair. It's going to be a bit uncomfortable, so I'm just going to sieve it thoroughly. And then you can see when we started, the oil was yellowish, right? The color has changed drastically. This means that it has really infused into the oil proper, like it has really entered the oil. So yeah, it's good to use it now. So making sure I drain every single oil out of the mixture, and this is me pressing and doing all the skirmishes I have to do to get the oil out. And then this is our oil now. Our hair growth oil is ready. This is the color of the oil. You can see the color has changed drastically, and it's okay with the things under. So I'm just going to pour it into this applicator bottle. I prefer this bottle because the mouth looks like a comb, and then when you use it, it can enter your hair very well. It can really go into your hair very, very well. It can enter all braids and everything you have on. If you need some of the oil, you can let me know. I'll do some for you. And so after pouring my oil into the bottle, I went ahead to add black castor oil. So Jamaican black castor oil. You can add any hair oil you have or any hair oil you believe in. So this is my black castor oil, Wondergrow Jamaican black castor oil. And then it's about 1/3 left, right? So I'm just going to pour it into the mixture. And our hair growth oil is ready. At this point, if you watch up to this point, I'm sure you've enjoyed the video. So why don't you subscribe? You're on the road to 10K this year. Why don't you subscribe to the channel for more nice videos like this, and making sure I get every single drop of the oil into my bottle. And yeah, this is my hair growth oil. Like I said, if you need some, you can let me know. I'll do some for you. And this is how I apply it into my hair. When you're about to shake it, you can see there are still some of the particles inside. That's fine. It will further infuse into the oil, so I leave it. And so this is it. You shake it, make sure everything has entered well. And then this is how I apply it into my hair. The tip of the thing is opened, so when you put it in, it comes through the tip. Okay, you can see the oil dropping. So I'm going to put it under the braids, push it under the braids so it touches my scalp. And then after that, I'm just going to massage my scalp gently but vigorously. And then yeah, that's basically about my secrets, my hair growth secrets, my hair growth oil. We are going to do this for, I'll come back in this my hair after 1 year, I think, of growing. This my hair, I cut my hair, so this 1 year after growing. And then this is what we have. We are going to come back after a year again, so save this video after a year to see the improvements or the whatever we've gotten so far. So yeah guys, thank you so much. If you have watched up to this point, I believe you enjoyed the video, so please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Let me know in the comment section where you're watching me from, and I'll give you a shout out in my next video. Thank you so much guys. So this is how I apply it to my front, my hairline. You make sure it enters everywhere, and it's easy to use this bottle because of the tip, how the tip is. It really comes out very well. So after applying, this is me going through my hair with my hand, massaging it into my scalp. And if you don't really feel it at your fingertips, you can go into it again, into your hair again with the oil. The quantity depends on you. I do this like 3-4 times in a week, and then I believe it really helps my hair to grow and really help darken my hair. So yeah, like I said, thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Mwah.